What's happening, people? This is DJ Rasp. I'm going to give you a few little tips on how to stream by using my DJ equipment onto my iPhone via Instagram Live and Facebook Live. You'll need a few things in order to do this. You will need an RCA cable going into mini jack. You'll need this adapter to plug onto the mini jack. You will need an iRig 2 and you will need an adapter to plug into your phone onto the mini jack. Yeah. I usually plug my RCA into my booth level. I'm using a S9 Pioneer mixer. Then plug it into my phone and I'm ready to go. There's an extra volume on this iRig. I don't have it all the way up. I just have it like, just past half. And the volume of my mixer, I have it the same, past half. And I have my trims turned, below the 12 o'clock, so it doesn't distort. This works for me. There's lots of other solutions out there to use. This is just a quick and easy way of doing it. There's the whole OBS, Twitch routes and YouTube routes. I don't really use them. I just use the Facebook and Instagram Live streaming services, which I find plug and play. It's quite easy to do. So I hope this tip was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.